This brand is from GAF and can be purchased at Lowe's or the Home Depot. The PGSOLAR 2 model is a low-profile roof-mounted fan with a 750 CFM capacity, while the HvacRepairGuy 2 model can automatically switch between solar power and grid power for those cloudy days. They use durable brushless motors and are backed by a good guarantee, but the panels are fixed on the units. The ERVSOLAR model has a tilt solar panel and a 525 CFM capacity, but they are only available with a galvanized steel finish, which really sticks out on the roof. The ERVHYBRID model can automatically switch from solar to grid power, has a tilted panel, and a 500 CFM capacity. The PGSOLAR model is for gable mounting and has a 685 CFM capacity, and all of the models are thermostatically controlled, but their guarantee is not as good as some of the other brands. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.